dirty.
What is for me?
I know.
Warmer.
How go on, babes? You eat already?
Where you talk so far? Yeah, me eat.
What did you eat?
Huh?
What did you eat?
What is?
How are you?
I don't know, I just see it pop up. Sister, you add me?
Huh?
Sister, no sis.
Oh, sister say, sis. Sister say.
Sister, me say, sister. Sister, you add me?
Oh.
So Hakeem gone.
Oh no, Hakeem stop.
Thank you, Swiss.
Mm.
So what wanna do over here?
We play 4-way.
Pritza, what
Yo, bro.
Be carried, you Swiss leader, brother. Be carried, Swiss leader. I'm be carried. Let him knock me at
Bro, I don't need other, bro.
And then me and my not tell lie, my sister.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you. When you reach certain level in a ranking and people know you're in person close, you automatically join them live with nobody after audio. TikTok new update.
Y'all don't get it.
Oh, I never get that one there at all.
So who are you, Tanya, who are you?
I should have focused. Actually, I'm not focusing on.
Tanya, who are you? Oh, come on, you call my name, Sammy.
Where you gonna Swiss? You gonna lick me?
I'm gonna box you for your big forehead.
But I love to see you do that. But too bad, I love to see you do that.
Now argue with me, argue with Hakeem. Don't argue with me, I'm my woman right to somebody.
Sister, who had me for true?
No, straight from that front of me, audio.
So him can't hold in a film screen again.
And that me pretty me I wonder what one. Like we play hide.
There, man.
Yo, bro, focus on father.
My focus, brother, you know, sister, me focus. Me just a look.
Come in at the screen now, come in at the screen.
You see it, right? Oh, God.
You get tough in front of two girls.
Hello. You not just ask me me I eat. You come in ice cream or what?
They ice cream, man.
You know, they're gonna...